I'm Shelly from Frugal Family Home, where I create quick tutorials to help build your cooking and baking confidence. And today I have a sweet treat for you. It's strawberry simple syrup, quick and easy to make. So let's get started with what you need. Okay, what we're going to need to make our strawberry simple syrup is 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of sliced berries. I'm using frozen, but you can use fresh, a jar with a lid to store it in, and a pot to cook it in. Okay, so the first thing we need to add to our pot is 1 cup of water, and then we're going to add 1 cup of sugar, and we're going to give that a little stir, just to get it mixing. And then we're going to add 1 cup of berries, and these are sliced berries. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put the burner on high and stir, and the sugar, but keep stirring until the sugar is fully dissolved. Now our syrup is just coming up to a good boil. We want to get it boiling really well, and then we're going to shut it off. Now we have our simple strawberry syrup up to a full rolling boil. We're going to turn it off, and then we leave it on the burner until it stops bubbling, so that will help to thicken the simple syrup a little more. And if you're liking this tutorial, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. Just hit the subscribe button and the bell so you'll be notified when we have new videos available. Okay, so now our syrup is stopped bubbling, so we're going to just carefully remove the strawberries and just remove them to a bowl and just get the majority of them out. So we're going to strain this also. Now we got the majority of the strawberries out, we're going to just get a strainer and strain this into our jar. And you don't have to throw away your strawberry your cooked strawberries. You can make them into a puree and then freeze them and use them for strawberry ice cubes in like your lemonade or iced tea. Okay, so now what we're going to do is strain our syrup. We just want to put a small colander over a jar, and this is a clean jar, and we're just going to pour the strawberry syrup in to the jar just through the strainer and get all of that good syrup in there, and then we're just going to let it drain through. Now you can push the strawberries through, but that can make your syrup a little bit cloudy, so you might just want to let it sit and drain a little and move it from side to side. Has a really nice rich red strawberry color. It's great to drizzle over ice cream or stirred into iced tea or lemonade. So you want to keep some on hand for summer treats. See all the uses for it with the link in the description to take you to the blog post. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.